Namaste children, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is from Madhuban Saral Hindi Pathmala, Class 4, Chapter 10, Patthar Ka Patthar. So Patthar means rock. So this is a story about a rock. It's in a comic format. So let's move into the video. एक नदी के किनारे चितपुर नाम का गांव था. So on the river shore there was a village named Chitpur. एक बार नदी में बाढ़ आई. So one time a flood came in the river. बाढ़ दमने पर गांव का ही एक लड़का राजू नदी किनारे गया. So once the flood gets over, so everything gets normalized. Though a kid named Raju, he just went near the river shore. अरे यह चट्टान यहाँ कहाँ से आई? यह तो बहु गणेश जैसी दिखाई दे रही है. So चट्टान means rock. So this kid is telling, oh, where this rock has come from? This looks like Lord Ganesh. मैं गांव में सबको बताऊंगा कि गणेश हमारी रक्षा के लिए स्वयं प्रकट हुए हैं. So he is telling, so I will go and tell all my villagers that this Lord Ganesh has come down on his own to safeguard us. राजू गांव की ओर भागा. So telling this, Raju ran towards his village. तभी एक मूर्तिकार चेतन वहां आया. So at that time a sculpture named Chetan, he came there. वाह, कितना सुंदर और चमकीला पत्थर है. Oh, what a beautiful and shining rock. मेरी अगली कलाकृति के लिए एकदम सही है. For my next sculpting job, this will be perfectly suitable. जरा चेनी और हथौड़ी ले आओ. So let me go and take my tools and hammer and come. मूर्तिकार अपनी चेनी हथौड़ी लाने घर की ओर लौटा. So the sculpture, he just went towards his house to get the tools and hammers. मूर्तिकार के जाते ही वहां एक व्यापारी आया. So upon the sculpture moving away from that place, one businessman came down to the place. वाह, आराम करने के लिए कितनी बढ़िया चट्टान है. So he was resting on the rock and he was telling, so what a nice rock to take rest. अपने मित्रों को भी इसके बारे में बताऊंगा. I would suggest my friends about this rock. कुछ देर सुस्ताने के बाद व्यापारी भी चला गया. So after resting out on the rock, even the businessman went from that place. उसी समय घुड़सवार सैनिक आया. So and that time a horse rider, a soldier was riding on the horse, came by the way. अरे इतना बड़ा पत्थर, oh, such a big rock. यह तो सेना के रास्ते में रुकावट डालेगा. So this might create a barricade on the soldiers' way. इसके बारे में मुझे कमांडर को बताना चाहिए. So I have to intimate about this thing to my commander. कमांडर को सूचना देने के लिए सैनिक कैंप की ओर दौड़ा. So to give the information about this rock to the commander, he just went towards his camp. कुछ घंटे बाद बालू धोबी कपड़ों की पोटली लिए नदी के किनारे आया. So few hours later, a dhobi, the washerman who washes the clothes, so he came. His name is Balu. His name is Bolu. He came along with some cloths to the river shore. यहाँ इतनी भीड़ क्यों है? So why this much of crowd over here? He was thinking. This dhobi was thinking, why this much of crowd in this place? यह चट्टान गणेश के सम्मान है. हम गांव वाले इसकी पूजा करेंगे. So this boy is telling, so this rock looks like Ganesh, so we will worship this. We villagers will worship this rock. नहीं, इस चट्टान से मैं एक कलाकृति बनूंगा. So in the meanwhile, this sculptor started telling, no, this rock is very much suitable for the sculpting job. So I would make a sculpting job with this rock. इस पर मैं और मेरे जैसे शाहगीर आराम करेंगे. So in the meantime, this व्यापारी, this businessman start to say, No, don't do anything. So in this rock, on this rock only, I just took rest. So so many tourists would be coming to take rest on this rock. So don't do anything. नहीं, कमांडर ने मुझे इसे यहाँ से हटाने को आदेश दिया. Finally, the soldiers said, no. My commander told me to remove this rock from this place. आप लोग बेकार जगड़ रहे हैं. So, hearing to all this conversation, the dhobi, the washerman who is washing the clothes, he is telling, you people are fighting for no reason. ये पत्थर तो वर्षों से यहाँ है. So this rock is here for so many years. पहले इसका बड़ा हिस्सा मिट्टी में दबा हुआ था. So initially the largest part of this rock was dipped inside the sand. बाद मिट्टी को बहा ले गई. So वही पत्थर अब चट्टान जितना दिखाई दे रहा है. So due to the flood now, so many sands were being eroded. That is the reason you could see such a large stone over here. हम इस पर कपड़े धोते थे. So we used to wash our clothes only on this rock. इससे नदी का जल प्रदूषित हो रहा था. So due to which what happened while we started to wash our clothes in this rock so this water got polluted. अब नई जगह धोबी घाट बना दिया है. So for this reason we have been given a separate place to wash the clothes. धोबी की बात सुनकर सब लोग मुंह लटकाकर वापस चले गए. So hearing to Dhobi's words, everyone became silent and they returned back. So messages, नदी में कपड़े धोना भी जल प्रदूषण का कारण है. So the message in this comic. So what the message we are going to read is, so even when we wash our clothes in the river, that will also be a reason for the water pollution. So we have to save the water. That is the message or the moral given in the story. Hope I have explained you line by line. So do well and read well. Thank you.